So remember I had repaired my headliner with this color. Yep, this is it. This is it sagging with the stains and the glue coming out. Yeah. So this is what I use, the Pro Stick 65. This is what was recommended, and let's just say it fell short by a lot. Using this was quite difficult. It kept drying quickly because you need to spray on both surfaces before you actually attached it. I followed the instructions, and yeah, the result of it was not good. You understand? Like, why would you recommend this? So I ended up using this instead. I mean, if you use this on shoes, other materials, it was really good. I used 2.5 tins of this, and let me tell you, it was way easier to work with. Only thing is, you need at least 2 days for it to fully dry. It will dry immediately. However, you need to at least take 2 days because of the scent of it, and you can see how much of a difference this is. And this is 3 weeks after install. You might see some high and low spots, but those was because I was kind of rushing it and I didn't have the time to remove the sponge I was stuck on it from the previous install. But mind you, let me tell you something, this one was professionally done. I mean, I did it. First, I recommend to ask how the headliner is removed. So the two front seats are basically lowered completely flat, and it's easier to pass through either side of the back doors because it's much wider. So I would definitely recommend the Dunlop rather than the Pro Stick. Okay, so let me know if it works for you.